Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashresha and today I'm going on an outing with my friends and family to Parnera Hills. So Parnera Hills is located in the Parnera village in Valsad, and it is a hill 500 feet above sea level. So it has 500 steps. Yeah, 500 feet above sea level, and it has 500 steps. I also, found that kind of catchy. So this vlog is kind of gonna be like a more nature vlog than my face vlog, cause as we had went with a lot of people, I couldn't film my face that much. But one of my friends, Avni Bharne, she helped me film my face in the last, and she also has a channel. Check the description box for her channel and don't forget to subscribe to her channel. So when I'm shooting, we have almost reached Parnera Hill, and this is the road where you can drive the kind of slope to the hill. Now at some point you are going to be able to see the hill, and I didn't take the picture of how many steps we have to climb, but do check Avni's channel. There she has vlogged her face with me a lot, so you can see quite a lot of things on her channel. There's the hill. So above are like a lot of temples. So yes, as I was saying, there are two temples above, and there is Chhatrapati Shivaji's fort also. And myself, I'm really scared of heights. So once the trees were around, I was okay. But when we reached the height, there were no trees. There were not many trees around. I was scared. So this is the view from above. This is a kind of board that was there, so I was just clicking and clicking and clicking. I have clicked a lot of pictures which I am going to put in between while I'm speaking whatever I'm going to. The view from there is just so gorgeous. I've put a bunch of pics. There was a lot of climbing to be done, so this is of when we were climbing to get to the toppest portion of the hill. So yeah, I was really scared when I got there, because like there are no fences over here and it's so rocky, and some people who are not at all scared just stand at the edge. They don't care what happens. This was shooted once, like there are two temples over there, so we climbed a bridge to the other temple. So this is the other temple, not the first one. I shooted it over the other temple. It was literally a lot windy up there. So now I'm just sharing pics that we clicked, cause I'm running short on content. I enjoyed a lot while on the trip to there, and obviously there. So if you live in Vapi, then you should obviously go there. There was like a place to sit, so I clicked it from there. So this is the place where we could sit and just look at my brother. I clicked this from the temple place. We are going downhill and it was 1,000 steps in total, counting going upwards and downwards, and you'll see me soon enough now.
सॉरी बट मैं यहाँ पे ज़्यादा शूट नहीं कर पाई, बट मैं एंडिंग क्लिप बना रही हूँ. ज़्यादा शूट नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज मैं फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ आई हूँ. तो अभी जो मेरे वीडियो बना रही है वो है अवनी भार्ने. मैं उसके चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी. ओके, बाय बाय.
Bye.
Kind of weird, I thought my end clip was in English. Don't go yet, pics coming through.